0.378 grams of an organic chloro compound. Okay. So let's note 0.378 grams of an organic chloro compound gave a lot of dirty numbers, 0.574 grams of AgCl in Carius estimation. Students sometimes are afraid, wow, Carius, Jaldal. Skip the names. Ultimately, it is just principle of atomic conservation. So many grams of organic compound gave so much of AgCl. Calculate the percentage of chlorine present in compound. Oh my God, that's very simple. You have mass of AgCl, fine. Therefore, moles of AgCl will be 0.574 upon molar mass of AgCl. Now, silver is 108, chlorine is 35.5, add a 143.5. 143. So many moles of AgCl, or 574 upon 143.5 millimoles. Just to make the numbers look more humane, so many millimoles of AgCl, and this is equal to millimoles of chloride ions or even chlorine atoms. Electrons are practically massless. So we have mass of chlorine. Therefore, mass of Cl atoms is 574 upon 143.5 into 35.5 milligrams. There were millimoles, multiply them by atomic mass, so you get mass of chlorine atoms. Fine. And we needed percentage of chlorine. So percentage of chlorine is mass of chlorine by mass of organic compound into 100. Now mass of chlorine is how much? That dirty number. It is in milligrams. Fine. So 574 into 35.5 divided by 143.5. So many milligrams divided by how much? 378 milligrams. Milligrams. Grams have to be converted to milligrams into 100. I just have to solve this dirty number and I get the answer. Calculation, as you know, is always a problem for many of the students. I will give you, of course, an accurate answer. You can look at the answer and get that, calculate that. I can also give you a rough calculation, how to quickly calculate and estimate a reasonable answer. That trick also I'll tell you. Let's try estimating this. Before we calculate, let me give you official answer for those who are not interested in calculation, only in the answer. It's around 37%, 37.57%. Sorry. And now people may say, how exactly you got that? For them, I have this calculation method which I am trying to elucidate. I'll need some space, I'll erase out some portion of the answer. See, watch here. Try to cancel as many things as you can. And well, I have 574, that's fine. I have 355, then I have 378, these are close numbers. And then I have 1435. I have just deleted one decimal. Let me see how this works. Now, first of all, this 355, 378, they appear close to me. I'm just first trying to figure out, can I cancel some numbers? Let me see, 350. Now, if I have 350, 350 into 4 gives me 1400. Yes, 1400. Now, 355 into 4 will give me 1420. And I have 1435. 1420, 1435, give me a break. It is roughly 4 times. Just let me do it 4 times. Oh my God, so drastic? Yes, actually it should have been 1420. So I have actually reduced denominator slightly, but nonetheless, see here. If I have reduced this number, I can increase this slightly. Instead of 378, would I be allowed to make it at least 400? Oh, that is a bit too much. But I could actually make it at least 380 or a little more. Okay, agreed. Of 380 and 574, they again don't look like very beautiful numbers, but I'm just trying to figure out if something nice can be done about them. I could just increase them slightly. I could make it 600 and I could make this 400. If I could just do that, just see how does it work out. Well, this is 3 and this is 2. This is roughly 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is 37.5. 0.37. So I'll get 37.5%. By this approximation also I get 37.5%. Accurate answer is 37.57%. Pretty close. I think I'm good. There we are.